Have you ever had the extremely specific thought, I wonder what updates there are to TikTok in June? Wait, what? In my actual notes, I wrote June, February, and March. That is supposed to say January. Let's start over. Have you ever had the extremely specific thought, what are the updates to TikTok in January, February, and March in 2023? Oh my gosh, that's a crazy coincidence because that's what this entire video is about. TikTok emails out a creator newsletter every single month, and I take it upon myself to record a video on these emails for my viewers that hate reading or who aren't in the exclusive creator newsletter club. It's not exclusive. Anyone can join. Admittedly, I'm a little behind, so let's catch up, and word on the street is if you subscribe to this channel, you get a surprise. Wait, did you just subscribe? Okay, hold on to your pants because here you go. And if you didn't subscribe, close your eyes. Only subscribers get cute capybaras. Yeah. Okay, let's go down here to the creator tools. We have how to give credit to a video. So if you did not know, you can now credit a creator on TikTok. So to do this, let's zoom in here. I actually have a short on how to do this and a TikTok, I believe, but here's how to do it. You're gonna go ahead on your post screen, you're gonna click on videos, and then you can select the video that you want to give credit to, and it will show up there in the caption area. And then you can also give credit to a video. You can paste a TikTok link as well, but the video must be set to public in order to do that. So you can do that, boom, instructions there. Let's see, points of interest. What is this? Let your audience know where you're making content by adding the location of your TikTok video with the points of interest POI feature. Mark your locations as a city, restaurant, park, or favorite travel spot, and your viewers can even add that POI to their favorites. So again, on the publish screen, on the publish screen, if you click on locations here, it's gonna give you some recommended locations right off the bat. You can search for a location. So let's see. TikTok will recommend 1 to 5 location results, but you can search for one and add it in there on the TikTok. So super cool. Multi-guest expansion. Okay, I did see this. This is for TikTok lives. Multi-guest now allows you to go live with up to 5 followers depending on the layout selected in settings. To use this feature, tap the multi-guest icon during your live and start inviting guests. I've never tried this feature, but I've seen TikTok lives using this feature so you can invite people onto your live and have like a multi-guest format, kind of like Zoom or something like that. But you can now have that on your TikTok lives. Accessibility and translation tools. In 2021, we launched auto captions, and those are amazing. If you're doing any sort of talking in your TikToks, use the auto captions on TikTok. It's super, super easy. So that you could automatically generate subtitles for your TikTok videos, making your content more accessible to people who are hard of hearing or deaf. Now we are introducing new caption and translation tools to lower the language barrier and help creators from around the world reach more views. Auto-generated captions, creators and viewers now have the option to turn on closed captions for videos. Translations for captions and video descriptions help users enjoy TikTok videos that are not in their native language. And then translation for text stickers. Bring translation to text stickers in videos so viewers can understand the full context. Very cool. So it's not going to show us how we do the translation. What happens if I click on this? Where do we do the translation in TikTok? Okay, it's just explaining the feature. I think if you actually click on the captions, it's going to allow you to do the translation. Let's see. These updates will support an initial batch of languages including English, Portuguese, German, Indonesian, Italian, Korean, Mandarin, Spanish, and Turkish, and include the things we've already covered. Okay, awesome. Very, very cool. So those are the quick updates there. We've got awesome creators on TikTok. Yay, awesome. Okay, now we've got TikTok stickers. So let's check this out. You can make and upload your own stickers onto TikTok. TikTok stickers. Create and showcase your Hold please, I'm having a stroke. Create and showcase your unique sticker designs on TikTok. So let's explore this. Create a new set. Upload stickers. Cover and details. Submit. You can select a sticker type, static or animated. So if it's animated, you have to have 2 different screens. Upload the sticker file, edit stickers, add names, and reorder. So it doesn't actually allow you to create stickers. Like you can't create them on the screen. You have to have them already created. So if I do static, for example, let's see if I can find a file here. What if I do something like this? Bop, adds the little sticker in, and I can name it heart, something like that. You've got 16 characters. And then what can people use with this? I don't know. Manage. Are you sure you want to exit? Sure, I'll exit. Okay, sticker name, yep. Learn. Okay, tell me what this is. What are TikTok stickers? They allow you to upload your own sticker creations. You can't make your own on this site, and make sticker sets to be used with direct messaging on TikTok. Okay, so that's what it's used for. When you're sending messages on TikTok, you can use stickers. You must be aged 18 years and older to upload sticker sets. If you're under 18 years old, you'll need to agree to have consent from a parent or guardian in the terms of service. So how to make a sticker sets, they walk you through it. It's pretty self-explanatory here on this website. You upload it, they tell you the ratio, the size, that's all pretty self-explanatory. How to manage your sticker sets. You can manage your sticker sets from your TikTok account on a desktop browser. Here you can check the status of your sticker sets, edit, withdraw, delete, and view your existing sticker sets. One thing I did want to show you guys, and it took me a little while to find this, but these are the design guidelines for your stickers. They should have this linked on the page that we were just on, but I don't think they do. So they show you the file types that are allowed for static stickers and animated stickers. You can see the size, the quantity, the ratio there, and they talk about margins. So please keep 8 pixels between the trimmed sticker and the content around it. They show you a graphic there. Sticker types. The stickers you upload are primarily used in daily conversation and communication on direct messages. Please focus on stickers with clear emotional expressions. So these are the examples of what you can do. Don't add photos like this that aren't clear. Consistency. While a sticker set is expected to offer a variety of different expressions, it's important to showcase a consistent visual theme throughout the stickers. These are things to do. These are things to not do. Dark mode compatibility. TikTok has 2 display modes. Make sure the stickers are visible in both of these modes. Animation guideline. If you're working on animated stickers, make sure your animation runs smoothly. The sticker resolution should be clear and sized according to the requirements. And then they do have community guidelines. So when you upload your stickers, they will check them, but these are just going to be in line with TikTok's community guidelines, right? No violence, dangerous individuals and groups, illegal activities, like you can't do any of that, firearms, criminal activity, all of that stuff. So you can't have those in your stickers. You can report stickers if you want and make sure that they are your own stickers and that you're not using copyrighted material, but those are kind of the guidelines there. And lastly, on this creator newsletter for January, we've got the Creator Marketplace Academy. The TikTok Creator Marketplace Academy, oh my God, how many times am I going to say marketplace, is basically the place to learn about the TikTok Creator Marketplace. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. But this is really all it is. So this isn't the actual Creator Marketplace, it's just resources for creators. So you go ahead and select your region. I selected the USA because that is where I live. And if you scroll down here, you can see level up your skills and learn to stand out. Discover how to best use TikTok Creator Marketplace, from finding brand opportunities, creating branded content, to getting paid. So basically the Creator Marketplace is to help creators connect with brands, and they have a bunch of training videos on here that you can watch, answering questions that you may have about how to use the marketplace. So that can be really valuable. These videos are really well done, not very long, so they're not going to be super in depth, but they can give you a brief overview of how the Creator Marketplace works. If you want to apply for the Creator Marketplace, you do that on the TikTok app, and they're showing you there within the creator tools. In February, we're celebrating more awesome creators. Awesome creator portal tips of the month. We'll click on those. What do we got for us, TikTok? All right, lights, camera, action, new entertainment feature. What the heck is this? This new entertainment feature, developed in partnership with IMDb, gives you more opportunities to discover, create, and share the content you love. For creators in the United States and United Kingdom, you can now link your favorite movie and television titles in your videos. The link directs you to an in-app page showcasing a collection of other videos linked to the same title. It also highlights information about the movie or television show provided by IMDb, including top cast members, director, genre, release date, all that other stuff. You can save title to your favorites tab on your profile. So to link movies, on the post page, you're gonna click on Add Link. Okay. They don't have pictures of that, but you're going to click on Add Link, select Movies and TV, search for the movie or TV titles you want to link with your video. You can add up to 5 titles for each post, double check the titles you've selected, then you're good to go. And then if you want to add them to your favorites, tap the movie or TV show link to access the title's details page. And then you can press Add to Favorites. So see this button right here, you can click on Add to Favorites and it will add it to your favorites folder. Okay. Interesting, cool. Now we have voice filter. We're excited to introduce the new voice filter tools. This has been out for a while. I think sometimes TikTok with these updates, they're like, we're so excited to introduce to you this new feature that's been out for months. But there is the voice filter effect. In fact, there was a particular voice in the filters that was going viral. I don't remember the name of the voice effect at the moment. But basically, you record your video and then you put on the voice filter and it changes your voice in the video. To use this new tool, tap audio editing after recording your video and choose from a selection of filters. So you're not, I think it was the Trickster one. That's the one I think it was that was going viral and that everyone was using. But you record your TikTok like normal and then you put the voice effect over it. So that's something that you can do for your TikToks. React to DMs using customized TikTok stickers. We've already learned about that, so you can use that when sending messages on TikTok and you can create those. More viewers can enjoy your content with expanded translation tools. Okay, so we're going back. We've got translation for text stickers, which is awesome. Super awesome. I cannot talk today, you guys. Here are the languages that they have, and then the easy translation tools. Oh, here we go. How to use the translation tools. Go to settings, go to the language settings, set your translation language, and then tap always show translations. Okay, there we go. So that's how you do the translation. In the January article, they do not show you how to do this. So you go into your settings, language setting, translation language, and then change it. Awesome. Okay, cool. Provide more context with longer captions. I did an update about this in one of my other videos. I can't remember which one it was, but they have increased the character limit for your captions. So it used to be 300 characters. That's how much you were allowed. But now you can have up to 2,200 characters for each post. You can write a novel in there. But yeah, you can go ahead and add longer captions describing the video, giving people more info, more value, things like that. So I'm really glad that they made that update. Now, if we go back to the newsletter here, enroll in TikTok University. I've been seeing a couple of things about this. Do you guys think I should enroll in TikTok University and make a video about it? Let me know in the comments. And then at the end of this article, since this was for February, fashion content tips for this month, because there was the New York fashion shows. Obviously that is over, so we don't care about that. All right, we've made it. We're up to date on the current month. So we've got the March update, and what the heck, this TikTok newsletter looks slightly different than the other ones. They're changing up the layout of their newsletter. All right. So in this newsletter, celebrating Women's History Month and the Oscars, new TikTok creator marketplace updates, and a chance to win special swag from TikTok University. So the two main events for this month, we have the Oscars happening, the Women's History Month. So you can go and search those on TikTok if you want to see people reacting, you want to see all the memes, all the things. You can search for those on TikTok by searching the hashtag Oscars, or you can search hashtag woman of TikTok. And that's one thing that you can do for pretty much any topic on TikTok. Just search the hashtag and it's gonna pull up all the videos that used the hashtag in the caption of that video. So you can go and check those out. Up next, we have the new creator marketplace design. We just launched a redesign of TikTok Creator Marketplace, bringing a fresh look and powerful tools that make it easier for you to make money and work with brands. So if I click on this here, what are we gonna see? Discover creators. Wow. This screen actually looks so nice. I like it a lot. Oh, and the video moves. Oh, that's cool. I don't even think I'm in the Creator Marketplace yet, but I like the introduction screen. Partner with creators in 3 easy steps. Search for creators, invite to collaborate, view insights. All your creator marketing tools in one place. Okay, so what this is looking like is if I'm a brand and I want to hire creators to make TikToks for my brand, this is where I go. I don't think this is necessarily like, obviously there's got to be a way that creators can go and post their work, but this is for brands. So please enter the TikTok name or ID of the creator, and you can see their stats, maybe what they make content on, campaign management. I see, so you can probably pay out creators from this place, and reporting. I wonder if this is the audience. Join to start using these features. Well, I am not a brand, but I still want to be able to see this. So maybe later I will try and sign in to see if I can give you guys a look into what this is like for brands specifically to go and discover creators. But let me know if that is something that you would like. We have the TikTok University. I mentioned this with the update from February. Check out our TikTok University Hub, where you can watch courses led by industry experts, the TikTok team, and top creators. All of our courses are designed to help your content pop in the For You feed, covering everything from production basics to in-depth analytics. Complete 20 out of 25 courses to earn exclusive TikTok swag. That is a lot of courses, but do you guys think I should do it? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if I should do that. But that's really all of the updates here for March. Not a lot, but there you go. Are people on TikTok okay? You can find out by checking out my reaction to Drew Gooden's hilarious video. You don't want to miss it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.